Good afternoon, everyone. Happy Monday to you all. It's August 15th, and it's time for our chart of the week. And we're going to revisit an old friend of ours, which we covered about 5 months ago. The chart was good looking, good back then, and we are going to take a look at it one more time. This is Micron Technology. We'll mark this chart up as we go along. But if you maybe recall back in March, we were looking at this stock around the middle of the month, and we noticed it breaking out to a nice level here past the 50-day moving average, and we had said that once it made a move on that 200-day moving average, which is right here, that it would be ready for some higher prices, and that's certainly been the case. We've made since we made the lows back in middle of May, which we kind of went sideways over here after we first talked about it. We hit a high about 12 and a half, and came back down when the markets took a nosedive in May, right in front of just about a month or so before the Brexit. This stock has made nice higher highs and higher lows all the way up, and we think that this has definitely some higher prices ahead here. Let me get the arrow out of there. And what's really impressive about Micron here is that it's had strong turnover over the last several days. In fact, actually, right after the earnings came out, it took a level upwards towards 14 area, which a level I hadn't seen since this was breaking down back in January. Tested that high, came back down, and made a higher low on the chart as well too, and that's been very impressive. But look at these last couple of days here. This is what's really good, is that the volume levels have been elevated. Every time the stock breaks out, the volume is elevated. That's a positive sign. MACD is on a buy signal. We are a bit overbought on the relative strength here, which could be a warning sign as well too, as the last couple of times we got up there, we did pull back a bit. But if you take a look at the channel that we've drawn in over here, there is some upside here for another couple of bucks, maybe another 12, 13% up to that 17.5 level, which we last saw back in November and December of 2015. Micron is a strong stock. It's been in that group that's been doing extremely well, the semiconductor area. So we think that this certainly has some more upside, especially with this nice breakout today on Monday on very good turnover. That's Micron. Thanks very much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys next time.